Hi, Ed Chasen. I want to introduce you to a new plugin that I have developed called Slick Social Pro. This is a blog plugin that will go out and do automatic backlinking for you once you have your account set up. I'm excited about Slick Social because of what it can do. Slick Social not only goes out and gets you backlinks, I've designed it so that it randomly can go out and post to different sites, as well as randomly choose which user accounts for these sites so that you're spreading your links all over the web without spamming the sites that you're leaving your backlinks on. And the sites that you're leaving your backlinks on, very active sites that will also send you traffic as well as help you get your rankings in Google. So let's take a look under the hood of what Slick Social is. Now let's take a look at the type of backlinking sites Slick Social has. Slick Social is not just a bookmarking site, it's a backlinking tool that will cross-post to other blogs such as blog.com and tumblr.com. They're what I call mini blog sites. They're similar to wordpress.com. And also Slick Social is going to be able to post on Twitter right here and on similar sites such as Brightkite. Now there are many sites out there that are available for leaving backlinks for these what I call mini blogs and microblogging sites. There's lots of them out there, and many of the links that I'm going to be including in Slick Social are going to be those types of links, as well as bookmarking sites such as Delicious, Faves, Jump Tags, Propeller, and so forth. So Slick Social is not going to just post your backlinks to bookmarking sites. It's going to have a cross-section of Web 2.0 types of sites that you're going to be leaving your backlinks on. Now, not only will you be posting to just these backlinking sites, you're going to be able to create multiple user accounts within each site. And Slick Social will be able to randomly choose which user account for each backlinking site that you choose. Now let's take a look at a real account where I'll show you what I mean by having multiple user accounts. In this particular group of sites I'm using for backlinking, I've got one account for blog.com, one account for brightkite.com, 3 accounts for Delicious, multiple accounts for Faves, Multiply, so forth. You go down, you see that Propeller's got 6 accounts I've made for Propeller so that when I'm spreading out my links, it's going to different user accounts and leaving some information about a post on my blog, and it goes down. So you can make as many user accounts for each backlinking sites as you want so that you're spreading your links. We can set up your new accounts in Slick Social a couple of different ways. One way is by going to the backlinking sites, sign up for them, and use the bonus that you're receiving to speed up sign up for user accounts on the different backlinking sites. So once you've got a username and a password, you would come in here and add the username and password and pick the site you want to create. You would add that to Slick Social. Now over here, blog.com has a special requirement. On blog.com, you've got to go out and create a blog account. Basically, it's a subdomain to blog.com. So you would put your subdomain name here that you're going to use, including the username and the password, and you would click add. Now the other way is by creating a CSV, and you can bulk upload all of your user accounts for the backlinking sites when you activate the plugin. And let me show you what that looks like. Now if you wanted to bulk upload all your backlinking sites and all your user accounts, this is basically what the CSV file would look like. You would enter your username here, your password, bookmarking site, and if you had another account, you put username number 2, password number 2, Delicious, and keep on adding that. Then you go to the next one, same thing, username, password, there you go, username, password, there you go, and keep on adding that. And what will happen is these will all get uploaded when you activate Slick Social. Now the only difference that you have here is blog.com. If you had multiple subdomains for blog.com, you would put subdomain 1 space subdomain 2 space. That's if you have more than one blog for posting backlinks for that particular setup. And very simple file to generate and very simple file to maintain. Let's take a look at the Slick Social plugin options. You would go there by clicking the options link and you'll come to this page. Some of the sites have category requirements. What you can also do with the options page is that you can specify a range of bookmark sites to spread out each WordPress post. Some of the questions that I've gotten was, well, won't I be spamming these sites? No, I've never had a problem, so I'm not too concerned about it. So I bookmark to all the bookmark sites. If you're concerned about that, or as you get more and more links, because I'm planning to have at least 100 sites, you can put a minimum and a max. For instance, if we have 20 sites, I might want to put minimum 4 links for every post and a maximum of, let's say, 15 links for every post. So what will happen is Slick Social will go out there and randomly choose the bookmarking sites as well as randomly choose the user accounts. So no one site's going to get all your posts. Gabber requires that you pick some form of a category. Tags are the same thing. Propeller. Now you have what they call a URL shortener, and what that means is that you'll have to go out and get a Bitly account. This is used for the Twitter and the Brightkite accounts. And once you have a Bitly account, you'll enter in your username and your Bitly API key. This will shorten the links back to your posts for those microblogging sites. And we are able to get links to ask.com, and ask.com has a special configuration, so you have to actually enable the account here. If you don't do that, you're not going to get any links to ask.com.